Bluey skipped into the backyard, tail wagging, ears perked, shouting, "Bingo! Look at this balloon!" Bingo ran fast, eyes wide. "It's huge, Bluey!" Muffin and Socks tumbled after them, giggling loud. Could a simple balloon turn into a huge adventure? Bandit peeked from the porch. "Careful, it might fly away." Bluey grinned, holding it tight. "Don't worry, I've got it." Coco appeared from the side, pointing. "Let's make it race." Could imagination turn a balloon into a rocket? Bluey and Bingo spun in circles, trying to keep the balloon from touching the ground. Muffin and Socks chased it as it bounced lightly on the grass. Rusty and Lucky joined, jumping, squealing, "Catch it! Catch it!" Could chaos ever be this fun? Suddenly, a gust of wind lifted the balloon high. Bluey gasped, "It's escaping!" Bingo leaped, trying to grab the string, slipping slightly, but landing safe. Bandit laughed loud, "It's flying faster than you too." Chilli shook her head smiling, "Looks like teamwork time." Could a little challenge make hearts race? Bluey spun, tugged, and the balloon bobbed dangerously close to the fence. Coco ran alongside, shouting, "Don't let it go." Muffin and Socks cheered, joining the chase, while Rusty and Lucky tried clever tricks, using sticks to guide it. Could friends make impossible missions possible? Finally, Bluey caught the string just in time, hugging the balloon, laughing loud, ears flopping, tail wagging. Bingo cheered, "You did it, Bluey!" Muffin spun around, "Best adventure ever!" Bandit clapped, Chilli smiled, "Perfect teamwork, everyone!" Could small victories feel so huge? The sun dipped low, casting golden light on the yard. Bluey held the balloon high, smiling wide, tail wagging. If you loved our balloon adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join me next time for more fun, laughter, and exciting adventures. The friends ran around, balloon bouncing above, laughter echoing, tails wagging. Bluey giggled, thinking how one balloon could turn an ordinary day into a magical one. Could a single moment hold this much joy?